This is Sir James, your virtual teacher. Welcome to our math video tutorials. Today, we are going to talk about expression versus equation. For our objectives for today, first, we are going to define expression and equation. Second, we're going to illustrate the comparison between expression and equation. Lastly, we're going to simplify an expression to form an equation. Now, before we go further, let us try if how much you already know about our topic for today. As I read to you the direction, read the questions carefully. Write the letter of the correct answer. Number 1. In a mathematical phrase that groups together numbers, variables, and operators to show the value of something is called blank. A. Variable. B. Expression. C. Equation. D. Coefficient. Yes, the correct answer is letter B, expression. Number 2, a mathematical statement with two expressions set equal to one another is called blank. A. Variable. B. Expression. C. Equation. D. Coefficient. Yes, the correct answer is letter C, equation. Number 3, which of the following is an expression? A. 8 plus 6. B. 9 plus 3 is equals to 12. C. 12 is equals to 2 times n. D. 3 plus 2 is equals to 1 plus 4. Yes, the correct answer is letter A, 8 plus 6. Number 4. Which of the following is an equation? A. 2n plus 8. B. 12 minus 5 times 2. C. 12 divided by 4 times 1. Or D. 8 plus 4 is equals to 12. Yes, the correct answer is letter D. 8 plus 4 is equals to 12. Number 5. To form an equation, which expression below has an equal value with 3 times 10 divided by 5? A. 4 plus 2. B. 6 times 0. C. Quantity 5 plus 1 times 0. Or D. 8 minus 1. Yes, the correct answer is letter A, 4 plus 2. Now suppose that I have here an expression. We have 25n plus 3. Again, in an equation or in an expression, 25n plus 3, 25 is called our coefficient. N is called our variable. And 3 is called our constant. Now let's define each. Variable is a letter or symbol used to represent a number we do not know. Commonly used variables are n, x, and y. But take note, we can use any letter from the alphabet to be used as our variable. Next, coefficient. Coefficient is a positive or negative number multiplied by a variable. And a constant is a number that does not change or a number with no variable attached. Now let's define what is an expression. Expression can be of two types. First, the numerical expression. This is an expression that combines numbers and one or more operation symbols. Examples are 4 times 2 plus 3. Another example of an expression is 5 minus 2 times 2 plus 1. As you can see, it only composes of numbers and operations. It has no equal symbols. Expression can also be an algebraic expression. Algebraic expression is a mathematical phrase that uses variables, numerals, and operation symbols. Example, 2x plus 2y minus 3, 3y plus 5. Again, in evaluating an expressions, the Gindap rule is very important because it prioritizes the order of calculations. Below are the set of rules. First, evaluate expressions inside the grouping symbols. Second, simplify exponential expressions first before performing the 4 fundamental operations. Next, perform multiplication and division as they occur from left to right. And lastly, perform addition and subtraction as they occur from left to right. Now let's define equation. An equation is a mathematical sentence with an equal sign, which shows that two expressions on either sides are equal. Example of an equation is 4x minus 5 is equals to 6. Another example, 2y plus 3x is equals to 20 minus 5. Another example is 3 plus 2y is equals to 6. Again, equation has an equal sign. Now let's try to take a look at this table. We have 2n plus 3 is an expression. Note, an expression carries no equal sign, therefore no relation. While on the other side of the table, we have 2n plus 3 is equals to 7. Now, 2n plus 3 is an expression. 7 is another expression. Take note, the equation has an equal sign that shows the relationship between two equal expressions. Now let's simplify the expression by letting n is equals to 2. If we have the expression 2n plus 3, we're going to have 2, and if n is 2, that is times 2 plus 3. 2 times 2 is equals to 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Take note, the expression is simplified through substitution of values in place of variables. Now on the other side of the table, let us solve 2n plus 3 is equals to 7. So therefore, we have 2n is equals to 7 minus 3. Transpose positive 3 to the other side, it becomes negative. So therefore, we have 2n is equals to 7 minus 3 is equals to 4. In order to find for the value of n, we're going to divide both sides of the equation. So therefore, cancel out 2. What is left is n. 4 divided by 2 is equals to 2. Therefore, the value of our n is equals to 2. Now let's check. Let's substitute the value of n. In 2n plus 3 is equals to 7. If n is equals to 2, therefore we have 2 times 2 plus 3 is equals to 7. So 2 times 2 is equals to 4, plus 3 is equals to 7. 4 plus 3 is equals to 7, that is equals to 7 also. Take note, an equation can be solved. It shows equality between two expressions. So the two expressions are equal, so therefore this is an equation. Now this time, let's check your understanding. Identify the following as expression or equation. Number 1, we have 4 times 2 is equals to 1 times 8. So this one is equation. Number 2, 4x minus 2y. This one is an example of expression. Number 3, 10 times quantity 4 minus 2. This one is an expression. Number 4, 5n plus 6 is equals to 21. Number 4 is equation. Number 5, 4 plus 3 is an expression. Again, equation have equal sign. Expression do not have an equal sign. So to sum it up, let's remember, an expression is a mathematical phrase that combines numbers and or variables using operation symbols. It can be evaluated but not solved. It does not contain equal sign. While an equation is a mathematical sentence that combines two expressions separated by an equal sign. So I hope you have learned something today. Again, it's Sir James, your virtual math teacher. See you again in our next video tutorial. Thank you for listening. Bye-bye!